Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make a piping neckline. First you'll mark 3 inches width on the interfacing and 7 inches down in an angle. Make a straight line so and create a box. Now from the corner mark about 1 to 1 1/4 inch and make a curved line. This is to get your round shape. Now measure 1 inch all the way round. Join these lines together. Cut the facing all the way round. Now we're going to iron this onto some plain paper material. Now cut around the interfacing, leaving a margin of about 1/4 inch. Sew the edges. Fold it in half and make a middle marking. Cut that so we can level it onto the fabric, the middle of the fabric. This will make it easy to figure out where the center line is. Now on the interfacing, we're going to sew round. So this time we're going to sew on the interfacing all the way round, leaving a small margin. Now cut the material, extra material. That margin will indicate how much we want the piping to show. So if you have a larger margin, you'll have larger piping. I've done a small margin, so we're going to have a small piping. Fold the margin inside the material, that's going to be the piping side, and now stitch over. Slowly following it round, showing the amount of material you want from the piping. Try and get it equal all the way round. Now iron it down so you can get a perfect finish. As you can see, the piping is nicely on now and it's equal all the way around. Try and get the seam onto the red material or the contrast, the material of the shirt, not the piping.